Solution of trigonometric equations such as sin theta is equals to a constant, cos theta is equals to a constant, and tangent theta is equals to a constant. Example 1. Find the value of theta if theta is from 0 to 360 degree. A. Sin theta is equals to 1 over 2. So first step is to find the quadrant. Now 1 over 2 is a positive number. Therefore, sin theta is positive in the first and second quadrants. You can refer to add sugar to coffee. So we have first and second quadrants. Next step is to find the basic angle of theta. So the basic angle of theta is arc sine 1 over 2. Arc sine 1 over 2 is 30 degree. You can press your calculator. So this is 30 degree and 30 degree. So next step, you can find the solution for theta. In the first quadrant, theta is just 30 degree. In the second quadrant, theta will be equal to 180 degree minus 30 degree. So your final answer will be 30 degree and 150 degree for theta between 0 to 360 degree. B. Cos theta is equals to negative 1 over 4. Cos theta is negative. So cos theta is negative at the next. Basic angle for theta is arc cos 1 over 4. Remember not to put the negative sign because the negative sign indicates the quadrant. So arc cos 1 over 4 is equal to 75.5 degree. So this is 75.5 degree and 75.5 degree. So theta is equals to, in the second quadrant, it will be 180 degree minus with 75.5 degree. And in the third quadrant, it will be 180 degree plus with 75.5 degree. So the final answer will be 104.5 degree and 255.5 degree. So this is the solution for theta from 0 to 360 degree. C. Tangent theta is equals to negative 2. So tangent theta is negative in the second and fourth quadrant. So basic angle for theta is arc tangent 2. Remember not to put the negative sign. So arc tangent 2 is equals to 63.4 degree. So at second quadrant, this is 63.4 degree and fourth quadrant 63.4 degree. Therefore, theta is equal to, at the second quadrant, it will be 180 minus 63.4 degree. And at the fourth quadrant, it will be 360 minus 63.4 degree. So the final answer will be 116.6 degree and 296.6 degree. So this is theta from 0 to 360 degree. So from example 1, we can see that the basic angle is the angle between the line and the x-axis. So this is the basic angle for the first quadrant, for the second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. And it looks like a butterfly. Example 2. Solve the following equations for angles in the range from 0 to 360 degree. A. Tangent 2 theta is equals to sec 3. Sec 3 is a positive number. So tangent positive is in the first quadrant and third quadrant. You can refer to add sugar to coffee. Tangent positive is in the first quadrant and third quadrant. Basic angle of 2 theta is arc tangent sec 3. Arc tangent sec 3 is equals to 60 degree. So this is 60 degree and this is 60 degree. So we have theta is from 0 to 360 degree. Therefore, 2 theta will be from 0 to 720 degree. So 2 theta is equal to, the first quadrant is 60 degree. For the second quadrant, it will be 180 degree plus with 60 degree, which is equal to 240 degree. By looking at the range, we can have our angle up to 720 degree. So we can add another cycle. So this is our first cycle and we stop here. So this is 360 plus with 60 degree. And one more is 360 plus with 240 degree. You cannot get another angle because the angle will be greater than 720. So we have 4 angles here. But this is for 2 theta. So to get theta, we will divide all the angles by 2. So if you check your solution, 2 theta lies between 0 to 720 and theta lies between 0 to 360 degree. So this is our solution. Basically, we have 4 steps here. So the first step is to identify which quadrant. The second step is to find the basic angle. The third step is to define your interval. And the fourth step is to solve for the angles. B. Cos 3x minus 75 degree is equals to 0.5. So our first step is to identify the quadrant. So 0.5 is a positive number. Cos positive will be in the first and fourth quadrants. Next step is to find the basic angle of 3x minus 75 degree. The basic angle is arc cos 0.5, which is equivalent to 60 degree. Next step, given x is from 0 to 360 degree. So to get 3x minus 75 degree, so this will be 3x, this will be 0 and 1080. Next, we will minus all the terms with 75. By looking at the new interval, 3x minus 75 degree lies between negative 75 degree to 1005. So whenever we have a negative angle, we have to check the clockwise first. So your first angle will be negative 60 degree. You cannot have another negative angle because this angle will be less than negative 75. Now you can look for the positive angle. So this is your first positive angle, which is 60 degree. And your next angle is 360 minus 60 degree. You can have angle up to 1005. So you can check for another cycle. So this is 360 degree plus with 60 degree. You have 3x over here. It means that you will have 3 cycles. For the next cycle, you will have, so to get this angle, 720 degree minus 60 degree. And the next one is, so it will be 720 plus 60 degree. Next, if you proceed to get another angle, the angle will be more than 1005. So you can stop here. Basically, this is your first 2 angles that you find from the first cycle. So for the second cycle, you will add the angle with 360. And for the third cycle, you will add the angle to 720. So this is... So to get 3x, we plus all the angles with 75. And to get x, you divide all the angles by 3. Check your solution. 3x minus 75 degree lies between negative 75 and 1005. And x lies between 0 to 360 degree. So this is your solution for x. C, cos 1 over 3x is equals to negative 0.2. The first step is to find the quadrant. Cos negative is in the second and third quadrant. Next step is to find the basic angle of 1/3x. Remember not to put the negative sign. The third step is to define the interval. To get x/3, we divide x by 3, 360 degree divided by 3, and 0 divided by 3. And the last step is to find the solution. So 1/3x is equal to, this will be our first angle. At the second quadrant, 180 minus 78.46 degree. And another angle is 180 plus 78.46 degree. By looking at the interval, x/3 must lie between 0 to 120. So this angle is not within our interval. Therefore, we only have one angle here. To get x, we'll multiply the angle by 3. If you want to check your solution, 101.54 lies within 0 to 120. And 304.62 lies within 0 to 260. Example 3, solve tangent theta equals to 2 sin theta in radian, where theta lies between 0 to 2 pi. So now you already know how to solve the trigonometric equations, such as sin theta is equals to any constant, cos theta is equals to any constant, and tangent theta is equals to any constant. So you have here tangent theta is equals to 2 sin theta. So now tangent theta is equals to sin theta over cos theta. So sin theta is equals to 2 sin theta cos theta. You cannot cancel sin theta because sin theta has its own angle. So the next step is, you can factorize sin theta, and you will have sin theta is equals to 0 and 1 minus 2 cos theta is equals to 0. Now sin theta is equals to a constant. For this one, you have to let cos theta to be the subject. So cos theta is equals to 1/2. So cos theta is equals to a constant. To solve for sin theta equals to 0, it is easier for you to look at the graph of sin theta between 0 to 2 pi. By looking at the graph, to get sin theta equals to 0, theta must be 0, pi, or 2 pi. Therefore, theta is equals to. To solve for cos theta is equals to 1/2, we can apply the steps that we have learned before. So cos positive is in the first and fourth quadrants. So the basic angle of theta is equal to pi/3. Make sure your calculator is in radian. Our angle is from 0 to 2 pi. So theta is equals to, this is our first angle, pi/3. And our second angle is 2 pi minus pi/3. So theta is equals to pi/3 and 5 pi/3. So therefore theta is equals to